Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. I already did a try on for the items that we got this month. So this is the final makeup look that I got from the products that I received in the February box. But let's jump in and take a look at the items that I got in this month's box.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
So the first item that I got was the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I got it in the color 230N. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's really pretty. I think I just ended up getting the wrong color for me. It's a bit in the dark side. I think maybe one, maybe two shades lighter would be my perfect match. But I did try to make it work, lighting it up by using some concealer. But overall, I actually ended up really liking the foundation. It's super lightweight. It doesn't really feel heavy. I don't like heavy foundations, and this one definitely is super lightweight. I think with the right color, this one would really work for me. The next item is this pearly body wash. And it's actually this really pretty pink packaging. It's by the brand, I believe it's Refreshments. I think that's what it is. It's a 10 fluid ounce, and the smell is citrus splits. So it does smell citrusy, but not in an overpowering way. It's very subtle. I actually really like it. So we'll see how that works out. And the next item is by Queen. It looks like it's 2 lip liners. We get one in a kind of red tone, and then the other one is more of a mauve color, mauve brown. For today's makeup, I used the mauve brown. I felt like it glided on pretty well in my lips. The pigment was pretty colorful. It did have a lot of color payout, so I think this one was some good products here too. We also got a lip product by Zoeva or Zoeva, however you pronounce it. And it's in between berry and red. So I have it on right now. I used it with the mauve lip liner, and then this is just kind of the final lip that I got with the Zoeva lipstick and the Queen lip liner combo. For the Zoeva lipstick, it's matte. It doesn't feel too dry, so I like the formula so far. And then the last product that we got is by Beauty Bakery. It's an eyeshadow palette. It's called Proof is in the Pudding. And this one comes with some more warm colors. So this is the eye look that I did with that palette. I like neutral colors. I like brown colors. So overall, I think this box is about a 4.5. There was a lot of really good products. The only things that I maybe didn't like were the colors that I got for the lipstick. But other than that, everything was really good. I actually really liked the February box. So that was all for today's try on and Boxycharm unboxing. Stay tuned for next month's Boxycharm unboxing. Bye.